Hi guys. So last week I was feeling out of my comfort zone with the colors I chose to use. So this week I want to show you how stepping out of my comfort zone with colors led to a surprising and kind of fulfilling artistic experience. So when I finished last week's art journal page, I had so much paint left that I just decided to go ahead and make a second one. I was so much more relaxed than I was the first time, and the result turned out so different from the first one because of that. My movement was looser, and I was enjoying the process so much more than I did the first time. So this is why I love art journaling. The more you paint, the easier it is to overcome fear, perfectionism, and self-doubt. Just being curious and playing in an art journal is like such a great way to switch your mindset from I can't do this to wow, I got this. And it's truly the best way to grow as an artist. So as soon as I started painting the second painting, I could feel my attitude shift and my body just let go. I was able to stop thinking and I let myself get lost in the flow, and that is always a good sign. Practice is crucial when it comes to improvement. It really is, guys, and it's really true what they say about the more you paint, the better you get. So if you want to see progress quickly, I recommend that you set aside a regular time once or twice a week and start creating in your art journal. And don't get discouraged if you don't paint something beautiful every time. You're not supposed to. Just keep going and you're going to feel the same shift that I've been talking about in this video today. Let your intuition guide you and watch every single painting that you make evolve. Use the time you set aside as a space to experiment with new techniques, colors, and ideas. And over time, I promise you that you're going to find your confidence growing and your art is going to grow along with it.